I have a bag. I mean, it's a bag. So I have no idea what this could be because nothing that I order from Shopdisney ever comes in a bag. With that said, come on Shopdisney, really? Obviously it can be done once again. Definitely a far cry from the last shipment I received. This has, I can tell, multiple pins inside. I wish this would have been the bubble wrap kind, but I'm still fine with this because they're not gonna just fall out of the bag like they did in my last video, where they were literally falling out of the box. Let's get this thing open. Packing slip. I got a small Mulan poster. It looks like something that belongs in a DVD. I don't know why I have that. I certainly did not order it, so whatever. This is Mr. Incredible. We'll put him right here. And I have Carl from Up. You know, I think this is one of my favorite Pixar Remix pins because you can actually see the little tennis balls on his little cane. It's hilarious. And we're gonna put him right here. And then we have Forky, probably one of the most annoying Pixar characters ever to be created. And we'll put him right here. And the last one we have for the Pixar Remix Series 4 is Miguel from Coco. So we're gonna put him right here. Now there is something else in here, and they actually wrapped it in the tissue paper that usually comes in the box. Oh yeah, I forgot about that. Honestly, I ordered this so it would fulfill the $50 so that I could get the 10% discount. This is a Mickey and Minnie, I mean, I'm gonna call it a Valentine's Day pin, but it doesn't really say Valentine's Day. It's clearly Valentine's Day. We're gonna add it to our Mickey and Minnie Together box that we have in our living room right over here. I find it interesting, I was noticing this just kind of looking at the pin, that they say that if it doesn't have the little prongs on the back here, that it's usually a sure sign that it's not an authentic pin. But I've been getting a lot of Disney pins without the little stoppers. I ordered these on September 5th and ship out until September 17th. I received them on September 22nd. That is 17 days from order to receiving. I guess that's not too bad, considering all of my other Pixar Remix pins have taken almost a month to get here. So I want to reiterate, this came from Ontario, Canada, in a bag, packaged appropriately, and secure. There's no box for them to fall out of because this bag is the perfect size for the pins that I ordered. I don't understand why it's so difficult for Shopdisney to get in their head, don't put pins in boxes. Put them in bags. Bubble wrap bags preferably, but bag nonetheless. It seems like it's going back and forth with me. I thought for a while there we were getting some good shipments because I got a few that were in bags and then that box and then back into a bag again. I think it all comes down to what fulfillment center are they being shipped from. If you're getting your stuff from Tennessee, it doesn't matter if you have one pin. It's coming in a box this big. Shopdisney, you have got to get quality control to the Tennessee Fulfillment Center. You've got to. Are you continuing to get pins that are shipped in boxes? Are you now starting to get pins that are shipped in bags like the ones that I got today? Have you had good experience with Shopdisney lately? Have you had bad experience with Shopdisney lately? Put it in the comments below. In the meantime, I want you to go to their Twitter page, I want you to go to their Facebook page, and I want you to email this address right here with complaints, praise if you have it, your experiences. One day they're going to get the hint. Which Pixar Remix pins are your favorite? I've got a few that I think are absolutely adorable. I love the Wall-E one, and I love the Carl one from Up, and his little tennis balls. Tell me your favorite in the comments below. But until then, remember, no capes.